for day 1 of Sadie stickers. When I was filling inside of the pack, I was unsure of like what it could have been, and I was sitting there thinking, oh, maybe it's like a sticker kit. Nope, I was wrong. It's this cute little pack of papers. As you see, that's the thickness, and it has boxes for this week, next week, and then Monday through Sunday. And I just thought this was so cute. So if you look a little closer, it doesn't have like any like little dots or like check marks or anything like that. Sorry, the lighting literally just changed. Let me see if I can make it brighter. Hopefully that helps. I think this is just so freaking cute, and I'm like, oh, this is like perfect, and this is classic like marble with a pink outline, and of course this is, I think, hand lettered by the owner of Letters to Apollo, like all of her kits are. So I just thought this was really cute. So this was day 1. Day 2 was the foil. So day 2, we got these 4 sheets of these like functional slash decorative half circles and like corner circles with a scallop detail. I think is really cute. Let me bring it up close. I did save my boomerang that I did of this, so I think I saved this one. So I'll go ahead and insert it if I did. But I think this is so cute. I love how she gave you different options as far as like the colorway. So you got white, this like more mauvey pink, this baby pink, just like a gray color, and then it's like pretty like light grayish blue color. So I thought that was really cool. She gave us gold, silver, rose gold, and hollow. So that was day 2. Day 3, it was funny because when it was in the little pouch that it came in, I was so unsure and I thought it was more stickers. Nope, it was washi. So she gave us this really cute washi overlay tape that has like a scallop detail and it has a bow. I did open up the silver originally, so I'll open this up so you guys can see what it looks like. I thought I was going to use it, but it didn't make sense on the spread that I was going to use it on, so I'll be using it soon. But this is what it looks like. It is already pre-cut, so I'm not going to rip it off, but it is like header length, and I think this is so cute that we got this. I'm like, oh yes. So she did give us all of the colors. So we have silver, gold, rose gold, and hollow, and I just think it's just so pretty. So this is day 3. For day 4, we got some more foil, which I was excited about, and these are like divider swooshes. Like, I said, oh my goodness, these are freaking cute, and I'm hoping that like some of these will come, or if not all of these will come to the shop. I don't know, maybe it could be just an exclusive for the advent calendar, but I really like these. I think these are so cool, and I've been getting into using like little dividers when you have this like weird space in between stuff that you put in your planner. So absolutely love this. So of course she spoils us and gives us all 4 of the colors. So we have gold, silver, rose gold, and hollow. You can see hollow because you can see all the colors like bouncing off the colors. But yes, I'm like, ooh, yes, I'm so excited about these ones. So this is day 4. So for day 5, she was so kind to bless us with some vellum. So these are what the vellums look like. She gave us 3 in total, which I just think is really cute. I'm going to show you guys one at a time so you can see the pattern is not like overlapping. Not really sure like which way, but either or is really cute. So this one is like a nice floral pattern, and it is like an 8.5 by 11 size. So definitely perfect to use. I can't wait because I am like setting up my planner like finally. Well, my newer planner And then I want to revamp my other Notique one. So look out for those flip through videos. I may record myself putting them together. I'm not really sure yet. Then of course we got some marble, because I mean Sadie stickers and marble is like, it goes hand to hand, especially in my opinion. It goes hand to hand. So it's that one, and then she gave us this really cute one that has all these different words on it. So you see simplicity, sophisticated, champagne, beauty, sassy, elegant, bold, caviar, glamour, iconic, bougie, chic, beauty, New York, couture, fashion. Like, I love it, you know. I said, okay. And I of course, love this one because definitely trying to go to Paris. Definitely trying to go to Paris. But yes, these are the vellum papers that we got on day 5. All right, next up is day 6. And day 6, of course, is more foil. I think that's probably like the one thing I knew for certain. Like, we were going to get some good foil things in this advent calendar, and I'm like, I'm so glad that I got it. So here's day 6. These cute boxes. So this looks like a quarter box, third box, and half box, and she gives you the different colorways. So we got this white, we got the pink, and we got this blue color, and it's like this pretty scallop detail on the top of the box. I love it. And of course, in true fashion of Sadie stickers, we got all 4 colors. So here is silver, rose gold, hollow, and of course that top one was gold. But yes, so excited. I said, oh, all this foil is just making me so excited. So that is day 6 calendar. For day 7, we actually got this 4x6 reusable sticker book, which is so cute. I really like this. It's a really cute size. It is double-sided, as you see, and the covers go a little bit outside of the width of the sticker pages. So I think that's really cute. And if you guys aren't aware, as of right now with the recording of this, she does have some extra advent pieces available on the website, so please go ahead and check them out if you are interested in anything you see today. But here is day 7. Day 8 is this beautiful pink and gold scallop washi. Here's what it looks like rolled out. Very cute. And when I initially opened this, I actually put it in the sticker book so you guys can see what it looks like as well on my Instagram. That's where I showed it all from the beginning. But this is day 8. Day 9, this beautiful date numbers. It is a scallop with a bow at the top. And it's funny because when she was doing a reveal on her Instagram, she said, I guess to people it looks like it could be a wreath, which it could be, but I'll bring it a little closer so you guys can see. It is like this little scallop detail with a bow at the top. And of course, all 4 colors. So you have gold, silver, rose gold, and hollow. So that here is day 9. Day 10, keeping with our scallop and bow theme, we got these scalloped heart bows with that colorway that she's put in most of her different sheets that she offered. I think this is so cute. It'd be a cute like little deco piece. You have space in the middle if you wanted to write or maybe add in like a word going across it, which I think would be really, really cute. And we have it in all 4 colors. So here you have gold, silver, rose gold, and hollow. Sorry, my light just went out. Not really sure what's going on. I know what's going on. It's because I need a new phone. Okay, day 11 is this such cute collab with Villa Beautiful. We got this beautiful Villa Beautiful with collab with Alicia's pin. So cute. And if you guys can see, she has like little bows in there. That is just so freaking cute. And it has the gold hardware. I can't wait to use this. This is such a cute dang pin. Such a cute pin. But that here is day 11. And last but not least, we have an advent kit. I think it's just so cute. She definitely incorporates everything that you've seen themed in this advent calendar in this kit, which is so cute. And if you guys see from the beginning, that cart we got, you know, that's the scene right there. So cute. So it is in the gold foil. As you see, she has like little touches of it. I love the way she just kind of like sprinkled it in, and it's like more prominent in some of the boxes and then it's not in others. So cute. It is in her current format. So here you have your box pages, your sidebar sticker here, and you have 2 stickers there with your habit trackers, your full page of foil. I love this. Like, that detail is just so freaking cute. So you got flags, your little things that you can layer with, all of your headers, some heart bow checklist, and some more labels on that side. And then here you have your days of the week with some strips, your event labels, and this is the bottom washi. I think it's just so cute. Love this kit absolutely. It's it's so beautiful. It is so beautiful. So that is day 12. So here is the complete layout of Sadie Stickers Advent Calendar for 2020. I absolutely enjoyed it this year. I will definitely be partaking in next year because I absolutely love all of these pieces. Let me know if you guys got in the Sadie Stickers Advent Calendar. Tell me what was your favorite part. I definitely love these dividers. Like, I ordered more of those. I think this would be a really good like pre-planning thing for me, or like to brain dump when I need to think about, okay, what all do I need to do, what days I need to do it on. Like, I think that is really cool. I love the pins, and all the foil just makes me so happy. And even though her base foil was gold, I love that she incorporated all the like main 4 foil colors in these like little pieces here. So I absolutely loved it. Let me know what you guys think about it down in the comments below. Thank you again for watching. Hopefully the suspense did not kill you too bad. And let me know what all you want to see from me in this coming year. Leave me some comments and suggestions down below. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.